Hi, my name's Emma, also known as Brummy Mummy of Two, and I am here today to chat to you about the Amazon Fire Kids Edition. This is a fantastic little tablet and I can't wait to get into the box. So I am going to pull it out. Have a little look at it. I'm super impressed with this durable cover. I think one of the best things for me about this tablet is not only the fantastic case, but it also comes with a 2-year worry-free guarantee. Now, I've had a few tablets in our house that have accidentally broken, aka the children have jumped on them, smashed them, thrown them across the room. But with this, you can send it back and you can get a new one free of charge, and it's really, really good peace of mind for me. Okay, that's enough talking. Now let's see it in action. So I've set it up and now we're ready to show you how it works. The great thing about this is it's actually an adult's tablet as well, so you can use it for yourself and also you can use it for your kids. I'm going to have a little click here and show you how you can switch between the two. If you look in this corner, you will see a little green face. If I click on errands just there, it will switch to her and you'll see her kind of main dashboard. So if you take a little look at the dashboard, you'll be able to see there's loads of different things on it. There's apps, there's books, and it all comes with the 1-year Fire for Kids Unlimited subscription. If we take a little swipe across here, you will see there's different films and TV she might like. Another really good feature that I like is the character and themes. So if we click on this here, my little boy is not that strong at reading at the moment, so it's really helpful for him. If he wanted to do Thomas, same with Harry Potter or Dr. Seuss or Kung Fu Panda, he can find the picture. Being able to use the pictures is really good for his confidence. He doesn't have to come and find me and ask to type in the words. He can look for exactly what he wants and he feels like he's got a real ownership of the tablet. As a mom, a lot of us worry about tablets because we want to make sure that we know exactly what our kids are watching, that the screen time is being used effectively, and Amazon had loads of tools to help us with that. So if you want to start setting parental controls, a really good way to go about it is to swipe down and you can swap to the adult part of the tablet. The children cannot get into this because you have to put in your PIN. So now I'm going to set daily goals and time limits, which is perfect to make sure that your children aren't on the tablet all day. My little girl goes to bed, but she doesn't want to go to bed straight away, so she could have the tablet for like half an hour. I know she's perfectly safe. At the moment, we've got it turning off at 8 o'clock, so it will just turn off. There's no way she can wheedle away in and go read other books or take a look at other apps. It's off until 8 o'clock in the morning, which really gives me some peace of mind. So she feels like she's in control, but really, I'm in control. Okay, there are a few ways you can set it. We've got time by activity type. Erin can read as many books as she wants. I don't mind her listening to Audible, but with regards to watching videos or browsing the web, she's got an hour for watching videos, and actually some days I probably don't want her to browse the web, so I pop down there and block it. So then all they can do is read the books, or you can download certain things that you don't mind them looking at, and that is perfect for just those days where you just want to chill out and have a little read on a nice Sunday afternoon. If you've got an older child, you could actually have total screen time, so you might say, okay, they could have 2 hours, and then after a couple of hours, it will turn off. So you can really limit the amount of time that they're online. Another great feature is instead of weekdays, you can change it to weekends. So for example, if Erin and Ethan are at their nan and granddad's and they need a bit of a rest, Nan and Grandad can leave them on there for a little bit longer at the weekends for a treat, or if they've been really good as a reward. So there's loads of different ways that you can manage your child's time on the tablet. So I've got 2 children of different ages with very different needs and likes. If you click on age filters, you can actually filter the content to your child's age. She's 8, but she can read books that are 10, 11, 12. It's a great little tool and something I know I'll be using for both of my 2. There's already stacks of storage on here, but if you want that little bit extra, for example, I'm going on a long haul flight and I will need some extra storage. It's really easy to pop in an SD card and get a little bit more memory. So I bet you want to know how much this costs. So this tablet starts off at $129, but you can also get some smaller varieties from £99, which is pretty good, seeing as if this thing breaks, you can get yourself another one. It's fantastic value and I can't wait to get it home and play with the kids with it. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that was helpful if you're considering buying one of these. Now don't forget to go and subscribe to Brummy Mummy of Two over here and also the Mumsnet channel. See you soon. Bye.